Hello everyone, you are welcome to how to solve this very nice algebra equation. Cube root of x plus cube root of x minus 2 is equal to cube root of x minus 1. Our job is to find all possible values of x. So let's start. First we suppose that x is equal to a and x minus 2 is equal to b and x minus 1 is equal to c. So this equation will become cube root of a plus cube root of b equal to cube root of c, and from here we take cube of both sides. So by using this algebraic identity, x plus y whole cubed is equal to x cubed plus y cubed plus 3 times xy times x plus y. This expression at the left hand side will become a plus b plus 3 times cube root of a times cube root of b times cube root of a plus cube root of b is equal to this cube will be cancelled out with this cube root, and at right hand side we are left with c. Next, a plus b plus this will become 3 times cube root of a times b times we replace this cube root of a plus cube root of b with this value cube root of c. So this will become cube root of c is equal to c. Next, a plus b plus 3 times this will become cube root of a b c is equal to c, and we recall that we have supposed that x is equal to a, x minus 2 is equal to b, and x minus 1 is equal to c. We have supposed that x is equal to a, x minus 2 is equal to b, and x minus 1 is equal to c. So this equation will become x plus x minus 2 plus 3 times cube root of x times x minus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to x minus 1. Now we subtract x and add 1 to both sides. We subtract x and add 1 to both sides, so this get cancelled, this get cancelled, this get cancelled, and this will become x minus 1 plus 3 times cube root of x times x minus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to 0. Now we consider this x minus 1 as a single term, and we move this term to the right hand side. So this will become 3 times cube root of x times x minus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to this positive x minus 1 will become negative x minus 1, and from here we take cube of both sides. So 3 cube is 27, and this cube will be cancelled out with this cube. We are left with x times x minus 2 times x minus 1 is equal to, this will become negative x minus 1 whole cubed. Now we move this expression to the left hand side, then this will become 27 times x minus 2 times x minus 1. This negative expression will become positive x minus 1 whole cubed is equal to 0. Now as you can see, this expression x minus 1 is a common factor, so we factor out this x minus 1. X minus 1 as common factor, and in bracket left 27 times x minus 2 plus this will become x minus 1 squared is equal to 0. Next, x minus 1 times, further simplify, this will become 27x times x 27x squared, and 27x times negative 2 negative 54 times x, plus we expand this x minus 1 whole squared, this will become x squared minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 0. Next, x minus 1 times this 27x squared plus 1x squared will become 28x squared. Negative 54x minus 2x will become negative 56x plus 1 is equal to 0, and from here either this expression x minus 1 is equal to 0, or this expression 28x squared minus 56 times x plus 1 is equal to 0. From this equation we get the value of x is equal to 1. This is the first value of x, this is the first solution of this equation. To find the other two solutions, we solve this quadratic equation. This quadratic equation is not factorable, so we solve it by quadratic formula. According to quadratic formula, x is equal to negative times b is negative 56 plus or minus square root of, in place of b squared we write negative 56 squared minus 4 times a is 28 times c is 1 divided by 2 times a is 28, and x is equal to negative times negative 56 will become positive 56 plus or minus square root of this negative 56 squared will become 3136, and negative 4 times 28 times 1 will become negative 112 divided by 2 times 28 56. Next, x is equal to 56 plus or minus square root of this will become 3024 divided by 56. Next, x is equal to 56 plus or minus this 3024 is same as square root of 144 times 21 divided by 56. Next, x is equal to 56 plus or minus this will become root 144 times root 21 divided by 56. Next, x is equal to 56 plus or minus root 144 will become 12 times root 21 divided by 56. Now from the numerator we can factor out 4, so this will become x is equal to 4 as common factor, in bracket left 14 plus or minus 3 times root 21 divided by this 56 is same as 4 times 14. So this 4 will be cancelled out with this 4, and we are left with x is equal to 14 plus or minus 3 times root 21 divided by 14, and this can be written as x is equal to 14 over 14 plus or minus 3 times root 21 divided by 14. This will become x is equal to 1 plus or minus 3 times root 21 divided by 14. This is second and third value of x, and first we found that x1 is equal to, first we have found that x1 is equal to 1. First we have found that x1 is equal to 1. So we have three solutions for this equation. 1 and 1 plus minus 3 times root 21 over 14.